So a regular ski, bigger, water ski, bigger, water shoes. Now these things float, semi-float, you know, the longer they are. So I got a raft, and what I did is split it. I got a raft and I split it. Now I can walk through marsh and swamp and all of that. Now these are not necessarily designed for deep ocean or whatever, but marsh and swamp. I mean, you have to remember way back when the rivers didn't have a bank, and they just went where they wanted to go, and so you have wetlands that scattered for miles and miles all over the place, and grass grew through this, and so a regular boat probably would have some kind of problem, and so this is a problem. We looked at this canoe. I got it glued together, so I don't want to take it apart, but you can see the canoe. You can see the canoe, and what we've done is connected the two canoes together, so you have something we call a catamaran. We can take them apart, we put them together, and we have something we call a catamaran. And notice also that they are pointed on both ends. This end is pointed, and this end is pointed. And we're going to get a little bit into that a little bit later. So, you know, we've covered a lot of this stuff in our previous materials, but so we're going through it relatively fast. So, and we're going to take that in consideration. This is one of the Ninja shoes. This is the water shoes came out of China, and it was introduced into Japan and Korea with the martial arts, a way of getting from one place to another, and so the whole idea was modify what you have. So the Japanese already had these snowshoes, and this is a snowshoe. And how did the ninja get these things to walk on water? No one that I've ever seen, all the books I've ever read, they don't show how the ninja was able to use these shoes to walk on water with. But we're gonna give you a good quick shot. We're gonna come right back.